guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a skill check. Alright, so let's actually start out by creating a new game, obviously. Alright, just create a new experience. Wait a minute. There we go. Should spawn in with this. Alright, now what we're gonna do is actually make a skill check. Skill check is like a typical squid game, like in the pentathlon or something. Alright, so I'm gonna be showing you how to do that because I haven't seen any tutorials about it. Alright, so yeah, let's get right into it. So first, let's actually make a GUI. Alright, like why are we doing it without GUI? Make sure you don't need to name anything, but alright, make sure you get the screen GUI. Alright, and then after that we're gonna add a frame. Let's actually position it right here. Alright, on the bottom. And then just customize it, right? I'm gonna customize it first, alright? You can skip this part of the video if you already got the frame. But yeah, let me do this. Oh my god, give me a sec. Okay, let's actually make this. Actually, let's just make it white. Why not? Okay, let's name this skill check. There you go. Now I'm gonna put something inside, which is a frame. And then what we're gonna do is just scale it down like this. Alright, but we need to make it better. So 0.2, I meant not 0.2. My god, my dumb brain. Let's make it like that. Why not? Let's make it black. Alright, perfect. Let's make it 0.6 only. It's alright. And now what we're gonna do is name this. Alright, make sure you name this touch frame. Alright, name this touch frame. This is what it's gonna get touched. Alright, with the bar and also to the frame. Alright, let's actually do another one. Oh, we can just duplicate this. Duplicate this, name it touch bar. Okay, that's gonna be really important later on, guys. Okay, and let's actually put this one, and that's a red as well. Let's make it white and then red, so that you can see. But as you can't see, it's just, you know, it's too wide. Let's just make it like that. Perfect. Now let's position it maybe right here. There we go. So this is gonna be the bar. Let's actually add some touches. I like UI strokes, alright? UI stroke. Let's also do it with the touch bar. Right there. Boom. Alright, so we get the touch bar and the touch frame already. Now what we're gonna do is put a local script inside of a game GUI. And then you don't need to name this, but I would like to name it client. Alright, after this, we need to get the skill check. Oh yeah, before that, let's get the services. Local players equals to game, get service speech mark player. Okay, and then local user input service. This is when we're gonna press the key, alright? So game get service speech marks user input service. Alright, now we're gonna do is to get a variable. Yeah, variable. Okay, let's get a skill check first. Local skill check equals to, let's get a GUI. Why not? Local GUI equals to script.variable. It's gonna be a little easier to get it. Local skill capital equals to GUI. Just the skill check first, right? Alright, now what we're gonna do is actually get the touch frame. Local touch frame equals to skill check. Hold on, with trial speech marks. Touch frame. Local touch bar equals to skill check, Hold on, wait for child speech marks. Touch bar. Alright, now what we're gonna do is next is gonna get the function. So we're gonna do local function check position. We're gonna check the position, alright? Like where is the bar or something, alright? Make sure you add some parameters. Frame, comma, mid. Alright? So this is gonna be the bar, alright? So what we're gonna do is touch bar pause equals to touch frame. Oh no, not touch frame. I meant mid. I mean not. My God. Yeah, mid. Oh my God, I'm just going. Frame dot absolute. Now we're gonna do is local touch bar frame equals to mid. Mid dot absolute size dot x. Oh yeah, I forgot. My God, making a lot of mistakes. But yeah, make sure you change this to position actually. Oh my God. Alright, now we're gonna do is local a equals to. Alright, so after you've done this, local a equals to touch bar pause, make sure you frame dot absolute position as you did, and then dot x. Do the same thing here. Just copy this actually. Looks similar. It's basically the same, but this time we actually do the b and the touch bar frame. Oh yeah, and also change this to mid. Now this is gonna be where we're gonna calculate, alright? We're gonna check first, alright? So touch bar frame less than equals to touch bar pause. Make sure my goodness. B is less than touch bar pause. There we go. And then we're gonna do another one. Or, and then the bracket is less than equals to touch bar frame. And A is less than equals to B. And we're gonna do then print it. So print speech marks. It's gonna overlap, alright? Overlap. I mean not overlap. Not overlap. Ping. Or else we can do print speech marks overlapping. There we go. So we get the check position. Now what we're gonna do is gonna use the user input service, alright? We're gonna use this. So what we're gonna do is user input service. So user input service dot input began call connect function. Make sure to do this. Let's do input comma game process. Is it? I think so, like that. Okay. Now we're gonna do if input, not instance. If input dot key code is equals to equals key code equals to enum dot key code dot and then pick whatever. I'm gonna pick E, alright? We're gonna check the position, alright? Check the position and then remember the frame. I just get the frame that we got. So touch frame, comma, touch bar. Perfect. Alright. Now when we finish all this, we actually need to do another one. So when we've done all this, we already got the overlap, right? But we haven't moved the touch bar, right? We haven't moved the touch bar. Like every time it goes from the, every time it's going to the max, you have to restart back, alright? Just like how it does in the Squid Game or the Danny's World, alright? I mean, the Danny's World, you just get it out, but in Squid Game, you actually restart. So what we're gonna do is, while task.wait do. Now what we're gonna do is actually this here, I'll show you. Position is plus equals to udent2 dot new, and then we're gonna do 0 point comma 0 comma. I make sure you do this, and then after that, if touch bar dot position dot x, I mean not slash, dot x dot scale is equals to, not equals to, but is equals more than equals to 1. Then let's just get rid of the and before we continue. Then we actually have to restart it. So touch bar dot position equals to 0, 0, 0. I mean equals to udem2.new 0, 0, 0. There we go. So we actually got the skill check prepared. It's not simple. Let's be honest here. Let's test it out now. Let's test it out. Let's look at the output. Okay, let's go. As you can see, okay, it goes really fast. Oh my god, did you see that? It's not overlapping, but as you can see, it's overlapping. But it goes really fast. As you can see, I think we should slow this down. We should slow this down. I'm not even kidding. That is too fast. Oh, I know why. It's because we need to make it 0.01. Alright. Now let's test it out. Let's go to view. I'll actually go to the output. There we go. As you can see, it's slower. E. So you can see it's overlapping when the bar is actually touching the black part, alright? The black frame. But when we are not touching, oh wait a minute, it's still overlapping somehow. As you can see, I'm not even touching I'm pressing E, but it's not doing the black frame. Maybe we need to fix something. Give me a sec, guys. Give me a second. I know why. I was mixed up. I thought this was the absolute size, but this one. But it should be the absolute position. But this one should be absolute size here. So make sure you put absolute size. Just copy this and type it. There we go. Now let's test it out. Let's see if it's working now. Make sure you check the output. Boom. Overlapping? It's not overlapping. Perfect. As you can see, if I getting the black bar, this will happen. All right. There we go. There we go. There we go. But you might be asking, hey, I wanted to actually change position whenever you press the key button, whenever you press the key called whatever it is of the key code it is. Like for example, for me it's E. Maybe for you Z, or maybe just mouse button 1. But if you wanted to change position, the touch bar frame, well, I got it for you, alright? I got it. And you also wanted to randomize, alright? Want to randomize it through the entire skill frame. So what we're gonna do is get the local function here. Local function, randomize touch frame, is it? Remember? Min x equals to, let's say 100, alright? Let's do 100 because we're gonna do pixels instead of something else. So local max x equals to 750 for me. Now what we're gonna do is actually change the position. So we need the touch frame dot position equals to equals to udem to, oh wait a minute, something, oh my god. Make sure you also get the local random x equals to, obviously map dot random min x, comma max x. You can do that, and now what we're gonna do is here equals to udem2.new 0, 0, comma random x, comma 0, comma 0. Alright, this is what we're gonna have, and let's put it, place it whenever we check the position. Right, so we're gonna do randomize touch frame. Perfect. So we're gonna get this. Let's play this. Now, as you can see, when we press E, oh, it can be like that though. That's the problem. It can be buggy. But as you can see, it's actually working. Okay, no way I can make that. Alright, but I think we should fix this. Alright, we can fix it. Alright, we can actually fix it. We can fix it by doing the pixels. We can test it. So sometimes it goes overboard. So let's see. So the position last time was 0.6. Let's make it 0 first. And then whenever it's 100, it should be in that size. Because I don't want it to start. And the one is 750. 75. It goes from there. I don't think that's a good idea. Let's just make it 500 then. Maybe that's still even far. Maybe 450. Still out of bound. 400. Not 4. I meant 400. Like this. 400. There we go. That looks better. So let's make it 400. Alright. Let's change the max X to 400. Alright. Now what we're gonna do is do what we gotta do. Alright. Let's start. Let's press C. As you can see, it's working. Let's test if it's overlapping. As you can see, it's right overlapping. Now it's not. But as you can see, when you press it, that happens. I think that's it for the video. You can also customize it because, yeah, you can customize it. I will show you. I can show you how you can customize it. Like for example, +1 or more. All right. Comment down below if you want that. And thank you all so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoy. Please leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you all guys in the next video. Peace out.